Hi, is your leadership inspiring trust or fear? Being overly optimistic can make your team think you're naive or foolish, while focusing only on challenges can make you seem negative or stuck. Both these approaches risk undermining trust and creating fear about your leadership capability. Optimism without realism can create unrealistic expectations that lead to burnout. Overanalyzing pitfalls can lead to decision paralysis, and both of these can drive your best people away. Neuroscience reveals the solution, balancing optimism with robust analysis of pitfalls. This approach inspires resilience and builds trust and avoids reckless decisions or paralysis caused by overactive brain pathways like dopamine responses or amygdala hijacks. Join us on the 29th of January at 12:30 p.m. for our next online workshop. Lead with certainty, inspiring confidence and empowering change. Learn how to navigate leadership paradoxes and gain practical, science-based strategies to lead through uncertainty with confidence. Register now via the link so you don't miss out, and we'll see you there. And remember, stay curious.